quickest and fastest way to learn Spanish.
This is exhilarating. Get excited.
Hey everyone, it's Mr. Sparking Eyes here. How to learn Spanish?
Well, the best way to learn Spanish is go to Spain.
Oh, wow. So pretty. A lot of flowers.
But before we land, we at least gotta have some knowledge about how to greet in Spanish. How to say, what's your name in Spanish? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? That's pretty friendly. So let's just try it again. ¿Cómo te llamas? Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times. And the formal way to ask somebody what's your name is ¿Cómo se llama? So instead of using TE in the middle there, you would be using SE. ¿Cómo se llama? Try it again. ¿Cómo se llama? Repeat after me. So we got ¿Cómo te llamas? That's pretty friendly. And if you want to use it somewhere at work, you want to say ¿Cómo se llama? So now you know 2 different ways to say what's your name in Spanish. Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times. One's very friendly and the other one's a little bit formal. And if you notice with ¿Cómo te llamas, the double L there is actually pronounced Y. And to answer this, you can just say Me llamo. Me llamo. Let's just go ahead and try it out in an example. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is Sparking Eyes. Me llamo Sparking Eyes. Okay, let's just pause right there. Well, there's another way to ask people what's your name. In Spanish, you might come across this word, which is ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Just breaking it down to make it easier. Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times. If you want to be polite about it, ¿Cuál es su nombre? Then you put S in there, it's more formal. And to answer that, you say Mi nombre es and your name. Okay, now practice it one more time with me. Mi nombre es Sparking Eyes. My name is Sparking Eyes. Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times.
Finally here at Friendship Island. Wow. Love the entrance.
Till next time.